Okay, for this cover plate, you're going to go ahead and draw a 6 by 6 square. Close it off. So now you're going to offset it. So we'll go up here, offset 1, offset here, here, and here. So we also need the center, but I'll show you what we're going to do for this one, or what I would do. I draw a diameter is 0.5. What I would do is change this to our object weight. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use the array. I'm going to use a rectangular. So if I select that, you can go ahead and get crazy with this. Columns, how many up? So if you want to go up, we'll go down, pull it down, and now we can say we want 3 columns. And in between each one of them, we have that distance down there too. And then we can do the same thing here. We can do -2. You got to keep it within the same coordinates. It's done. Hit enter. Problem is we got that one in the middle. So what we can do is we can type explode, select it, and erase that. That's done. So what we're going to do is let's just draw a line midpoint to midpoint, midpoint to midpoint. Go ahead and draw a big circle in the middle. D3 for diameter 3. Let's go ahead and change these all to object lines here. And then what we'll do is, usually I'd offset this through, what I'll do is I'll do an offset. It's 1, so I'm going to do 0.75. I'm just going to come in, keep these. Whoop, I'm going to offset it to 0.5. And I'm going to offset 0.675. If something mid. So I can get my center lines, but not want them all in being too busy. So when I do that, I'm going to go ahead, and these lines are just temporary. Almost can consider them construction lines, because once I'm done with them, I'm going to take them, erase them, erase, select these lines, select that line. I'm going to make these center lines for my holes. I already have that line type selected. Throw some dimensions on this and be done. So diameter, repeat the command. Enter TYP. Got that. Let's throw some linear dimensions on the side. Make sure you do it to the end so we got our extension lines. Endpoint to endpoint. I want to see the extension lines right on top of each other. There will be, but I don't want to see them overlapping the center lines. Let's go throw one major one over here. Repeat the same thing down this way. And one big one down across there. And that is it for the cover plate.